Roofstock Real Estate Investment Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get real estate investing wrong. They assume you need thousands of dollars, local knowledge, and endless time. The surprising truth about Roofstock is that it makes investing in rental properties much more accessible, even if you live across the country. You won't believe how simple their platform makes buying and managing income properties. Here's how it works. Roofstock is an online marketplace for single-family rental properties. Each listing comes with detailed property information, tenant details, and financial performance metrics. Roofstock even provides inspections, title reports, and certified valuations, so investors can make informed decisions without physically visiting the property. For example, a first-time investor can browse properties in cities like Dallas or Atlanta, review projected cash flow and cap rates, and purchase a fully tenant-occupied property with just a few clicks. Most people get this wrong. They think buying remotely is risky, but Roofstock structures deals with verified tenants and transparent pricing to reduce uncertainty. Additional benefits include Roofstock One, which allows fractional ownership of properties, making it easier to diversify with less capital. Users praise the platform for its transparency, ease of use, and tools like rental yield calculators and neighborhood analytics. However, there are considerations. Property management is not included unless you hire a third-party manager, and fees apply when buying or selling properties. Most people assume it's entirely hands-off. Roofstock simplifies the process, but investors still need to monitor performance and understand real estate fundamentals. In conclusion, Roofstock is ideal for anyone looking to invest in rental properties without the traditional barriers of location or large capital. With verified tenants, detailed analytics, and simplified transactions, it's a strong platform for both beginners and experienced investors. Subscribe for more honest reviews of real estate and investment platforms.